Am I worthy of living the life I deserve? I get asked this question so many times by survivors of trauma and those living in crises. Hi there, Rising Transformers. I'm Dr. Leonie H. Mattison, a survivor of trauma and crises, speaker, author of the Thread Collection, and creator of the THREAD system designed to help you rise above trauma and crises and reclaim your life. Join me for an intentional conversation and let me help you. 1. Discover your personal worth and live it every day. 2. Transform your experiences into data and use it to drive more intentional decisions. 3. Make your dream a reality by framing a vision around the future you were created to live. Intention plus you equals transformation. So do everything you can to clear your schedule and attend this workshop. Reserve your spot today by clicking the link below, and I will see you over on the other side. Rising Transformers, my mission is your transformation. Let me help you rise above trauma and crises and live the life you were created to live. See you soon. Bye.